So I have my ingredients out, and the first thing I have is these sausages, the breakfast sausages, breakfast sausage patties. I thawed them out a little bit. I have this 3 cheese blend, shredded cheese. It's like thick. It says thick cut on it. You can read that. It says thick cut. And I have these biscuits. They're jumbo biscuits, and they got butter flavor on them. I have this pizza sauce. It's more like a dip, pizza dip, but I wanted that because it has, I feel like maybe it might taste better. And this is the Italian seasonings, just regular herbs, Italian herbs. And so we'll get started on the sausage first. And I'm just gonna open this up right here. And just pour these herbs on. And I'm gonna chop these sausages into smaller sizes. And see, like, I thawed it out, but like in the microwave, so it's kind of like cooked already. And I'm just gonna chop them to small little sizes. Like, I like my sausages small. I don't like them chunky. So we're just gonna chop these until they're smaller. And so here's the biscuit. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to put a layer of biscuits on the bottom, and then put some cheese on it. That way it's like got a filled crust. So let's see about that first. See how that works. What I'm gonna do is spread them out so that way it's easier to put down. And I'm just gonna kind of line it like a deep dish pizza. And so this is taking about 3. If you can see that, it's about 3. And put some cheese. It looks like a lot of cheese, but if you push it into the dough, it will be like less. And on top of this dough, on top of this cheese, I'll add another layer of biscuit. You can see that, how it looks right now. And so the biscuits over there. I'll do the same, open them. And top that. Just open it a little bit. And do the same. Just over the crust. Like this. And so this is what it looks like so far. In fact, I think I need another biscuit. And I'll cut that one in half. And cover the parts that are not covered. So here's what I got so far. Just pinch together dough, and it kind of looks like a deep dish. I finally got it open, so I'm just gonna pour it on top of here. It looks like a lot, but like it kind of evaporates when you cook it. You can see some sausages on. And some cheese. More sausage, and then more cheese. That makes sense. So what I'm gonna do is microwave this for 5 minutes. Have another idea while that one cooks. Just gonna make a regular looking one and see how that turns out. That looks good. This is what I have, and so I guess what I could do is put some sauce on it, like regular pizza. This time, not as much. And put some of those sausages. And more sauce. And more sausages. So, next is the cheese, of course. And I'm just going to use the rest of it. And you know what? I don't even have that much, I don't even have that many sausages left. So I'm just going to fill it up on the edges. Wherever it's got room. And so this is what I have. I'm gonna put this on for 3 minutes and the other one's ready, so I'll be back. This is how I cooked it with the lid on. So it's gonna need more time. This would take about 5 minutes. to cook, so I'm gonna put it on for 5 more minutes. This is what it came out to look like. And I'll take a slice of this. Trench. Okay, seriously, this looks so good. It tastes just like fresh pizza, guys. I had pre-cut a piece, so we'll check it out again. Oh my gosh. Okay. This looks so messy. Let's see how it come out. It took 10 minutes to get this far. So, I mean, if it's still wrong. No, it's not. It's perfect. Alright guys, let's try it. I'm gonna need a fork for this and a knife. Came out perfect. Look at this. Guys, look at this. This is ridiculous. And it tastes so good because there's cheese in the middle, remember. This one is so good. Like, this is like perfect for lunch. I would totally eat this one for lunch. Just by itself, like no chips or nothing. So good. Try both of them. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. Honestly, I like both of them, but I would love to try this deep dish one again. So thank you guys for watching.